Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to start dropshipping with no money. The platform that we'll be using in this example is Equin. The reason why I recommend Equin as a complete beginner getting started doing dropshipping is because Equin is easy to use and you'll also be able to use their free plan for life. Compared to Shopify or other dropshipping platforms that also offer a free plan, or better yet should I say a free trial period, with Equin you'll be able to use their free plan forever. The only pullback with the Equin free plan is you'll only be able to list 5 products. But I do not see that as a pullback, as all you'll need to do is narrow down the type of products that you'd like to list onto your Equin store or to start dropshipping. And once you have gotten your first or your second sale, you'll be able to go onto one of their paid plans. As you can see that their paid plan starts off at $14 per month. And with their paid plan, you'll be able to list over 100 products, and you can see that the price gradually increases. And with the increase in price, you'll be able to get even more features. But for this tutorial, since we're starting off with no money, I would recommend that you go onto the free plan right here. So this is way better than Shopify or other platforms, and it is quite straightforward to get started. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. Once on equin.com, you are going to go over to the top right hand corner and you are going to tap on Get Started for free. From there, you can sign up using your email address, or you can use your Facebook account. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And what I want you to do from here, you are going to go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to simply scroll down until you see apps, that is right below settings. You are going to hover over apps and you are going to select app market. After selecting App Market, you will be redirected to a new page, as you can see right here. And then I want you to go over to the left hand menu option in the App Market and you're going to tap on Dropshipping, as that is what we plan to do, dropshipping. So I'm going to be showing you the dropshipping app that I recommend that you use. So once you have tapped on Dropshipping, you'll be led to a new page. Then you're going to scroll down. As you can see, there are numerous dropshipping apps and majority of them offer a free trial, but their free trial tend to be a limited time, and also the features that you'll be getting on the free trial is not all that. So I'm going to scroll down and I would recommend that you use the SUP dropshipping app. The reason why I recommend SUP dropshipping app is it is completely free. And you can also see that it is highly rated and it is also beginner friendly. So we're going to tap on SUP Dropshipping. Once you have done that, you'll be led to this page and you're going to simply tap on Install App. Once you have installed the app, you're going to tap on Open App, and from there you'll be led to the SUP Dropshipping Member Center dashboard. And on this page, I'm going to be showing you how to add your first dropshipping product. So let's give it a second to load up. As you can see, I'm on the SUP dropshipping dashboard. And with this dashboard, not only will you be able to add products, you'll also be able to monitor your orders. So you can send through your orders using this platform. But to add products, all you'll need to do now, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option. And from there, you're going to tap on Find Products. After you have tapped on Find Products, you're going to tap on Imported Products. So let's select Imported Products. Then from here, what I want you to do, you're going to open another tab and you're going to go onto AliExpress.com. Once on AliExpress, you can search for the product or products that you would like to add to your dropshipping store. So let's say, for example, I would like to add this random product right here. All I would need to do is simply select the product. Once on the product page, what I want you to do next, you're going to simply copy the product URL. So you'll simply tap right here, then tap on copy. After you have done that, you're going to go back into SUP Dropshipping, and right where you see imported products and you see a search bar, you're going to simply paste in the AliExpress URL right there. Then you are going to tap on import product. On import product, you can see that the product has been imported right here. So the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to list it to store. So you're going to tap on list it to store. Once on this page, all you'll need to do now, you can see the different variants right here. So you're going to simply scroll down, and if you would like to remove a particular variant, all you'll have to do is simply untick the box right here to remove a particular variant. And the next thing you're going to do, you're going to tap right where you see enter price, and you're going to set your price right there. Once everything is to your liking, at the bottom of the page, you're going to tap on list it now. Then you can see the listing will normally take a few seconds. Once it has been listed, as you can see right here, you can choose to view it on store, or you could simply go back into Equine. So let me go back into Equine real quick. Once back in Equine, we can tap on the product. So let me go back right here. Once on the Equine dashboard, you are going to go over to the left-hand menu option, hover over catalog, and we are going to tap on products. And from there, you should see the product now added to your Equine store. Now that the product has been added to your Equine store, all you'll need to do now is set up payment options. And to set up the payment options, again, we're going to pay attention to the left-hand menu option, and we're going to simply scroll down. And by scrolling down, you're going to see payment. You're going to tap on payment. Once you have tapped on payment, you will be redirected to this page. And these are the different payment methods that you can offer to your customers. So for example, you can set up a Stripe account, and you could tap on connect and enable Stripe. You can also connect and enable Square, and you can also enable PayPal. By offering these 3 payment methods, this will help to increase your store conversion, as it will give your customers multiple options, which means that they'll have more options to pay. So that in turn, as I said, will increase your conversion. Another thing that you can also do is tap on design. And once you have tapped on design, you can change the appearance of your product page or overall your store. So for example, you can see right here, you can choose whether you would like to use large product images or medium-sized product images. You can also choose whether you would like it to be portrait or square or landscape. You can also darken image backgrounds if you want. So there are numerous customizable options that you can use right here. You can also choose where you would like to align the product, whether you would like to align it to the left or to the right, or if you like it to stay center, as you can see right here. Once you are finished setting up how you would like your product or your shop or your Equine store better yet to look, all you'll need to do now is tap on shipping and pick up, and from here you'll be able to edit the different shipping methods. So we are going to simply scroll down, and from here you could tap on add shipping. Once you have tapped on add shipping, you will be able to set up UPS if you want, or the different shipping methods right there. And again, remember that we'll be using SUP Dropshipping to handle all of our order processing. And to find the orders after they have been made on your Equine store, you will simply go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on orders, and then from there you'll be able to select store orders right here. And then you'll be able to process the orders by simply tapping on the product, entering the customer's information, and then selecting payment. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.